Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a very long time. My name is Irving.
And I'm Annabelle.
And today we are reacting to Season 2, Episode 1 of Demon Slayer.
Finally.
Finally. It's been a long time. We're going to skip the whole Mugen Train arc because honestly, I felt like I was fake reacting. I wanted to be authentic. I've seen it through the movie. I just didn't want to go over. I wasn't feeling it. So we're just going to start at Episode 1 of Season 2. It's been a long time. I apologize. I was in college. I'm finally done with school, so I graduated. Congratulations. Thank you. I graduated, so you guys will be getting 3 episodes starting this week. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. They're probably going to be all Demon Slayer. We're going to finish One Punch Man as well. And after One Punch Man, we'll probably do Season 2 or move on to something else. She's never seen Dragon Ball Z. She's never seen Naruto. She's never seen a lot of these shows that I've seen. And I want to get her reaction. So let me know in the comments, what do you guys want to watch next after One Punch Man? I think we have like 3 episodes of One Punch Man and we're done. So after that, yeah, it's almost done. We started most of it. We just haven't really recorded. We haven't because we've been busy. But enough talking. I'm happy to be back. This is Season 2, Episode 1 of Demon Slayer. Okay, so right where we left off, these guys are fighting. Rengoku.
They did not have to do him like that.
I saw somewhere online someone said his blood art is throwing fists, throwing hands. That's literally his only power, throwing hands. This guy's a martial artist. Flame breathing is just freaking sick.
Right.
I think it's the coolest out of all of them. I like the Zenitsu's as well. I like the lightning breathing. But I think flame breathing is freaking sick. Look at that. Dragon. Beautiful.
Right.
Oof. And he's just smiling away. Remember how he made his swords? He got his brand new sword. He started chipping him off with rocks. He made his swords like that.
Boy looks so sad.
Yeah, they just got their butt beat. And for nothing, too. They didn't even beat this guy.
Right.
There's Rengoku. Bro, these voice actors are amazing.
Right.
They're making me tear up. Like, I'm about to cry. The problem with Demon Slayer is they stop right when I'm about to cry. They stop and move somewhere else. Like, here, I was about to cry. Your eyes are watery too. These voice actors sound... Oh, there's his brother. He just found the news.
I can't wait to see how much stronger Tanjiro is.
Yeah, and you know damn well they're gonna train. All 3 of them have motivation now. They were so weak they couldn't do anything. You're not gonna say hi? This dude just walked past like, whatever. We haven't seen this character before, right? I don't know who this is. Putting so much emphasis on a book.
Right. That character has to have some kind of meaning.
He's a demon. Or he's me.
Yeah.
I'm allergic to the sun too, so. Yeah, this kid's a demon.
Right.
Oh, he is the boss. I told you he was the boss. I'm here to report to you. Muzan. Told you that was that's a boss. He takes different forms. He was a female last time. What's that?
見つかりませんでした。
Blue spider lily.
で、無惨様のご期待に応えられるようこれからも尽力いたします。
He looks pissed.
何か思い違いをしているようだな。赤座。
Ooh, just with his pure finger he did that.
柱。それを始末したから何だというのか。鬼が人間に勝つのは当然のことだろう。
Oh, he doesn't even care. He thinks it's a joke.
の望みは鬼殺隊の殲滅。
He's terrified. And this guy's strong.
二度と私の視界に入らせないこと。
Holy cow, just with his finger he made him bleed like that.
それなのに未だかな。
How did he get so powerful?
They haven't explained any of it.
得意げに柱を殺したと報告するが、あの場にはまだ3人の鬼狩りがいる。
Oh, he didn't kill the other three.
なぜ始末してこなかった。わざわざ近くにいたお前を向かわせたというのに。赤さ。赤さ。
He's gonna kill him. No, I don't think so.
I don't think he's gonna kill him because they need that rematch.
Right.
But look how bloody he left him just with his finger. Like the pressure from his finger.
まさか柱でもない剣士から一撃を受けるとは上限の3も落ちたものだな。
Man, that's insane. He left him bloody just with the pressure of his finger.
大きな音がしたけど大丈夫かい？
How does he switch roles like this? What can he shapeshift? Is that his power? Or does he take over somebody's body? What happened to his kid and wife? Don't they find it suspicious that he's gone like half the time? Oh, that's Tanjiro's sword. Oh, he's trying to break his sword.
Oh, just beat up this one.
Didn't he just get his sword too?
Yeah.
He's gonna be pissed. Can't wait for the rematch. Damn, he broke his sword. You know the swordsman's gonna be pissed.
Right.
He broke his sword. They're all sad. You know Zenitsu's sad. What? What did he do?
He replaced him with something else.
Oh, yeah. You know he's sad when he's not trying to flirt with a girl.
Right.
He's just eating and going back to his room, I guess. Yeah, look, they're all sad. He's never seen Tanjiro like this, that's why.
Oh, he's gonna take this to Tanjiro.
煉獄さんみたいな鍛え抜かれた音がする人でさえ死んじゃったんだからな。悲しいし取り乱すよな。
I hope this is a motivation Zenitsu needs. Because he has so much potential.
He needs to stop being such a crybaby.
Inosuke is already like there's like they said it right now. Inosuke is like he's anxious to get stronger. Like he's been wanting. He just needs the proper training.
あれの傷かなり深かったんだよね。バカなの。兄のことはすでに承知しておりますが、大丈夫ですか？あなた顔が真っ青ですよ。
Probably because he looks just like him.
やめろ。どうせくだらんことを言い残しているんだろう。
Damn.
大した才能もないのに剣士などなるからだ。だから死ぬんだ。
Why did...
What an asshole, man. This kid just died and he's over there. Tanjiro's gonna get pissed, watch.
才能のある者はごく一部。あとはうぞうむぞう。
Says the guy drinking alcohol in the day.
Right.
そんな風に言うのはやめてください。
なんだお前は。出て行け。うちの敷居をまたぐな。
俺は鬼殺隊の。
Oh shit. His dad used to be a demon slayer too.
That triggered something in him.
そうか。お前。火の呼吸の使い手だな。そうだろう。
Oh, he knows sun breathing.
素人の動きじゃないぞ。父上、やめてください。その人の顔
I'm a little confused. What's going on?
Right.
悪いですよ。
うるさい黙れ。
Ooh,
Ooh.
this guy's an ass.
Right.
加減にしろ。この人でなし。
Tanjiro's hurt too.
Right.
Unless his.
一体何なんだ。あんたは命を落とした我が子を侮辱して殴って何がしたいんだ。
お前俺たちのことをバカにしているだろう。
どうしてそうな
I'm
るんだ。
so confused.
Right.
何を言ってるのかわからない。言いがかりだ。
お前が火の呼吸の使い手だからだ。その耳飾りを俺は知ってる。書いてやった。
火の呼吸ってもしかして火の神神楽のことなのか。
始まりの呼吸。
First breathing.
初めに生まれた呼吸。
Oh, okay, so Tanjiro's clan, I guess?
Mm.
そして全ての呼吸は火の呼吸の発
Oh, okay, so sun breathing, the dance his dad did comes, that's like the first type of breathing. Yeah, all others just mimic it.
劣化した呼吸だ。火も水も風も全てが。
So sun breathing is like the main one.
うちは代々炭焼きだ。家系図もある。
That's his dad.
火の呼吸。
Was his dad a fighter, a demon slayer?
神楽。
Mm.
いや、
I don't think they ever explained that.
そんなことよりも
火の呼吸の使い手だからといって調子に乗るなよ小僧。
乗れるわけないだろ。
As if I could.
今俺が自分の弱さにどれだけ打ちのめされてると思ってんだ。このクソジジ
Old fart.
煉獄さんの
You tell him.
He's gonna kick his butt. Watch.
Yeah, he's a former hashira. Ooh.
なんでだ。
Mm.
Tanjiro already got his butt kicked.
神楽が火の呼吸だったな。
One punch and my boy was out.
He always goes with his head. That's why he's full of scars. Headbutted his ass.
He got it though.
Yeah, he headbutted his ass. Keep in mind, he's a hashira.
Yeah.
やってしまっ
Tanjiro?
た。
I don't know.
I think he knocked him out.
去らないでください。
And that sucks. Poor guy.
そう言い
Yeah.
ましたよね。父がよく見ていた書物には心当たりがありまして。
21st Flame
ではない
Hashira.
かと思うのですが。ありがとうございます。炭治郎さんが知りたいことは書かれているでしょうか。これは。
What is that?
Mm.
ズタズタだ。ほとんど読めない。もともとこうだったのかな。いいえ、そんなはずはないです。
The little kid ripped it.
大切に保管されているようです。
Oh, the Master
You
Muzan?
yeah, remember he picked up the book and he ripped it?
Mhm.
Oh no, he said his father must have tore them. I think it was the kid in the beginning.
Maybe.
どうか気になさらず。わざわざ足を運んでいただいたのに、火の神神楽や父の言っていた火の呼吸について結局何も。大丈夫です。自分がやるべきことは分かっていますので、もっと鍛錬します。一日と体力が上昇していくとのことだったけど、一瞬で強くはなれないんです。あの時、俺がもっと
The background's gorgeous.
Right.
一瞬で
No, the mountains of Wallaby that they played, those are so pretty.
強くなれる方法があったら。ずっと考えて。
I love Rengoku, but I think this is necessary in order for the plot to move on.
近道なんてなかった。
They just need to get stronger somehow. They need motivation.
Mhm. If he wouldn't have died, I don't think they would have gotten that much stronger.
進む。どんなに苦しくても悔しくても、そして俺は京次郎さんのような強い柱に ずなります。兄には継ぐ子がいませんでした。本来なら私が継ぐことなり、柱の控えとして実績を積まなければならなかった。でも私の日輪刀は色が変わりませんでした。
Oh, his sword never changed color.
Aw, so he couldn't?
He couldn't become a hashira.
術を身につけないと日輪刀の色は変わらないものです。
He doesn't have the skill.
どれだけ稽古をつけてもらっても私はダメだった。
So he was supposed to be like his right hand man,
Yeah.
but he couldn't.
になるのは諦めます。それ以外の形で人の役に立てることをします。
Man, don't say that, man. You gotta live your brother's legacy.
You're right. That should give him motivation to go train with
Yeah.
Tanjiro.
兄はきっと許してくれる。
Tanjiro's gonna be like, no way.
Right.
Or maybe
いい
not.
と思う道
だる
を進んでください。千次郎さんを悪く言う人がいたら俺が突きします。
Headbutt them. I don't think that's a good idea. Look at the big scar on his head already.
Yeah, that's what he gets for headbutting things.
私が修復します。他の書も調べてみます。父にも聞いてみて何か分かったらカラスを飛ばします。お話ができて
Okay, so he's gonna try to piece the book together.
気をつけて
Yeah.
お帰りください。いいえ、こちらこそありがとうございました。そうだ、炭治郎さん
Alright, so that's awesome to find out. Their breathing technique is like the start of all breathings.
So that means he has the potential to be really, really strong.
Yeah, because every other technique is my brother's sword guard. Oh, he's gonna get it?
こんな大切なもの俺は持っていてほしいんです。きっと
Oh, his sword's gotta look sick once he gets it
Right.
complete. Because he don't have one right now, but once he
Yeah.
gets it complete, puts that guard on, that thing's gonna look sick.
He doesn't need it. He's not going to be a swordsman anymore.
Well, he told him to choose the path that he wants to choose, so maybe he decides later on to be one, but
Maybe.
I think he should. Especially because he looks just like Rengoku. He could replace him.
失礼します。
There's his dad.
お戻りでしたか。先ほどの
He's gonna be crying, watch.
どうでもいい。出て行け。
Why is his dad so mean?
くだらん。どうせ俺への恨み事だろう。分かりきってる。
He's gonna make him cry.
さっと出て行け。
わかりました。
Stand up for yourself, man.
Right.
兄上が父上へ残した言葉はそれだけです。
You better start crying, you old fart.
Right.
Yeah, he's gonna start crying. I think he does care. He just was a horrible father at
Yeah.
showing it, you know? Yeah. Yeah, man. He's an asshole, but, you know, that was his son at the end of the day. Oh, already?
Okay.
No, that's the swordsman maker.
Oh,
He's pissed. Yeah, he's gonna. Remember, he said he would kill him if he broke it again. He's pissed. You lost your sword? Are you out of your mind? You fool! You fool! 10,000 times. Yeah, he's pissed. He's probably gonna tell him to put that guard on the new sword.
Right.
I mean, it's not really his fault. He had to do what he had to do.
Right.
Oh, he's still chasing him. Oh,
Okay.
の死から
Oh, they did a time skip 4 months later.
俺たちは毎日
Oh, they're ripped.
鍛錬をし
Yeah.
Even Zenitsu's ripped.
Look at Zenitsu though.
数々の
Yeah.
指令に従い
I'm proud of my boys. Oh, he got his new
Oh,
sword.
new sword. Where's the guard?
一人で行く任務の時も善逸はダダをこねなくなった
Okay, he manned up.
髪を一草くれ
I'm proud.
Give me a lock on Nezuko's hair. I promise to do my best.
諸突猛進に
Oh, so he got angrier. Alright, no more crybaby.
Oh, look at Tanjiro's ass.
Yeah.
Okay.
幸せなことだと思う
If you think about it, Tanjiro's getting even stronger because he's carrying a person on his back
Right.
while doing all this. Oh, and they've been fighting demons in between. Oh. Where's Inosuke and Zenitsu? Did they part ways? Oh, Nezuko's helping. I guess Nezuko has been training too.
I guess. Nezuko's such a badass. I love her.
Oh, they're gonna be down there waiting for him. Watch.
Probably.
しまった手こずった人里に降りてしまう
Where the boys at?
It looks like they almost have him. Oh, maybe not.
They heal instantly.
一体どういう鬼狩りなんだ。鬼をけしかけてきやがった。
Mm.
ここまでだ覚悟してくれ申し訳ないけど
なめるなよ。カザ。
全集中水の呼吸
Water breathing.
Watch one time.
Yeah, there he goes. Cut his arms off. And then here comes his neck. I haven't seen that stance before. Striking Tide.
うるせえな黙っとけ
Oh, the Wind Hashira.
She's so cute.
命令忍上官葵奈穂柱どうか命令
I don't get what's going on.
どうかお願い
Oh, yeah, the coin flip.
Oh.
Oh, the coin flip decided to help.
てめえの鼻くそみたいな頭突きを食らうと思うか
葵さんたちを離せこの人さらいめ
Kidnapper.
一体どういうつもりだ
Hentai? I don't need her then. He just needs female, I guess, to capture a demon that likes females.
Yeah.
とりあえずこいつを任務に連れて行く役に立ちそうもねえが
葵さんの代わりに俺たちが行く
俺たちだと
Inosuke and Zenitsu. Oh shit! Oh shit! Protecting his girl.
Look at my boy.
He's about to protect his girl. Ah, yeah, okay.
Okay, look at them.
Bunch of badasses.
何が言いたい
My boys have come so far. I'm so proud of them.
俺は力があり余ってる。言ってやってもいいぜ。
葵ちゃんを離してもらおうか
That's all he cares
Yeah, but he
about.
doesn't complain anymore. He'll do things. He's scared, but he'll do them. I'm not backing down. I like that. Okay, he's finally. Zenitsu's finally becoming a badass.
Right, he's getting it together.
やけにあっさり引き下がるな
ただし絶対俺に逆らうなよお前ら
Oh, okay, so he's taking them. That's good. Oh, okay. All
That
right.
boy's not shy.
I don't know what we're watching right now, but okay, so they're going with the wind hashira.
Alright, now spank Tanjiro.
They're so small. Why are they so small compared to everybody else? He's
どこ
gigantic.
行くんだおっさん
Oh man.
日本一色と欲にまみれ
All right, well that's the end of episode 1. It was.
Wait.
This
Oh,
is-
I was like, who are these people?
That's the end of episode 1 of season 2, and this was very long. It was about 40 minutes, but I enjoyed it quite a lot. It's just getting kind of things started. What do you think?
Yeah, I liked it. It was just, there wasn't very much action.
Yeah, I know.
Which,
they're-
I mean, is a good thing.
Yeah,
'cause-
they're getting it started, remembering what happened. I like the whole part they did with Rengoku's dad and him crying at the end because
Yeah.
they made him out to sound like an asshole, but he had feelings and he cared, and you know his son is dead now. And I hope his
Right.
brother takes up the sword and fights.
I hope so. I hope he joins them. That would be nice.
That would be really cool. And why didn't Tanjiro use Rengoku's sword shield? I think that would have looked
Yeah.
or sword guard. That
Maybe
would look
he
really
just
cool.
hasn't put it on.
Who knows? But overall, really good episode. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to give us a thumbs up. If you don't, make sure to give us a thumbs down. But let us know why so we can fix it. Overall, really good episode getting started. I hope you guys enjoyed these. Until then, we'll see you guys next time.